Craftsman chainsaw, 16-inch bar, pull start, on off switch, start, stop, gas goes in here, 2-stroke oil gas mixture. This is for the chain bar oil. Here's the choke on, choke off. Muffler, spark plugs in there. Little trigger, it's got a trigger lock. Once you get it running. But real easy to start. These have fuel lines that go bad real fast. There's a fuel line that's real hard to change. I just put brand new fuel line. It goes from the tank all the way through the handle to the carburetor. You can see where the fuel line comes through from the handle. If you can see it, goes from the handle right there to where the carburetor is inside of here. Okay, and so that's been replaced. Fuel line from gas tank all the way through the handle to the carburetor. Carburetor has been rebuilt, a new kit in it. Okay, and a new fuel filter down in the tank. So starting, it's easy. It is warm. It was started a few minutes ago, but it starts real easy. It's not warm anymore. I'm putting my finger right on the muffler. You don't want to do that if the engine's hot. It's been running. That would be burning hot. It's cold engine right now still, but it was running a few minutes ago. So we'll turn it on, start. I'm not even going to choke it because it should be warm.